Alright guys, so a quick update on the wheel horse restoration. So in the previous video we have finally painted some red parts. And the big centerpiece, the steering column, I think the adjustment lever too. And so I made quite a bit of progress since then. Let me show you the progress that I made. So we have the steering column and the adjustment lever and everything else, including the shifter plate installed on the big centerpiece. As you can see, it looks really nice. It's probably been assembled like this for about a week now, and I've also painted more red parts since then. I've got the deck guard, not the deck guard, but the dry belt guard here. It's all ready to go. I tried to save the sticker right here, but I couldn't prevent this. It just came off. The wheel horse paint and the Regal Red look almost identical. I'm really surprised, but I'm glad too because I want it to look as original as possible. So we got that painted. We have the battery holder here fully painted, and this right here, the steering front I-beam, whatever you call that, I painted that the same day I painted this, so that's ready to go too. Whenever I took this off of here, these things were really stiff. They were really hard to turn. And I bet that's why the steering wheel was so hard to turn too, because those were making a lot of resistance. So now that I have those fully greased up and ready to go, the steering wheel ought to be a lot easier to turn. I cannot wait to try it out when I assemble it on the wheel horse. So as you can see, I haven't really worked on any of these red parts in a while because I actually don't have any more space to put the fresh red parts, as you can see. So I've kind of paused on sanding down the red parts. I need to get some stuff on the frame before I do that, which leads me to the next thing that's happening right now. So as you can see, the gearbox and frame have been separated. I have not really done anything to these since they've been separated. I'm just waiting for the rain to rain on it and get all the grease and gunk off of it. And it's looking a whole lot better, but I still can't paint over this yet. So I ordered a pressure washer on the 19th, and it was supposed to be here on the 25th, but today is the 27th. I still don't have it here yet. I'm a little disappointed about that because Amazon is usually pretty good about getting your packages here, but it's 2 days late, and I'm thinking about just refunding it and then doing my best with the metal wire brush. So that's basically where we're at with the wheel horse restoration project right now. I hope to be posting a full-length video pretty soon. So I appreciate you guys for watching all the videos about the wheel horse restoration, and I hope you're looking forward to the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.